Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the tailoring ticket to start sewing in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. We will need the tailoring ticket if we want to sew clothes. I'm going to go to my workbench and click on this icon. And if we want to start sewing, we need to have the tailoring ticket. Okay, and if you want to get the tailoring ticket, just click on this plus icon, and then you will be able to buy the tailoring ticket with this diamond. I don't know what it is called, but you will need this diamond, and it will consume 80 diamonds for one tailoring ticket. Okay, you can purchase it right here if you want to sew clothes in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the tailoring ticket for sewing in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.